Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering the question, what is the maximum deposit on Coinbase? This is a question that I get asked a lot, so I thought it would be a good idea to do a video on it. Before we get into the details, I want to take a moment to talk about the importance of understanding your limits when it comes to investing. It's important to only invest money that you can afford to lose. Now, let's get into the details of the maximum deposit on Coinbase. The maximum deposit on Coinbase. The maximum deposit on Coinbase varies depending on your account type and verification level. For unverified users, the maximum deposit is $2,500 per day and $10,000 per week. For verified users, the maximum deposit is $50,000 per day and $250,000 per week. For institutional users, the maximum deposit is $1 million per day and $5 million per week. In addition to the daily and weekly limits, there is also an annual limit of $1 million for all deposit methods. How to increase your deposit limits? If you want to increase your deposit limits, you will need to verify your identity with Coinbase. This can be done by providing your government-issued ID and proof of address. Once you have verified your identity, you will be able to increase your deposit limits to the levels listed above. Important considerations. Before you make a large deposit on Coinbase, there are a few important things to keep in mind. Coinbase fees. Coinbase charges a fee for each deposit. The fee amount varies depending on the deposit method. Withdrawal limits. Coinbase also has withdrawal limits. The withdrawal limits are the same as the deposit limits. Security risks. Coinbase is a secure platform, but it is still important to be aware of the risks of investing in cryptocurrency. The maximum deposit on Coinbase varies depending on your account type and verification level. Unverified users have the lowest limits, while verified and institutional users have the highest limits. It is important to understand your limits before you make a large deposit on Coinbase. You should only invest money that you can afford to lose. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more cryptocurrency content. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.